Maintaining the quality of the braking system is of the utmost importance to provide a sufficient and stable braking force in all conditions. Performance, reliability and durability through repeated usage is imperative. Additionally, the braking system must provide optimum performance and excellent strength in all conditions. In this video, we replace the rear brake pads and discs on a Subaru XV. Before replacing these components, you should always inspect the brake fluid level, check its condition and replace if necessary. To begin the rear brake pad and disc replacement process, raise the vehicle and remove the wheels. Inspect the rims and tyres for any abnormal wear or damage. All surrounding parts and components should be inspected as well. These include steering and suspension parts, brake hoses and pipes. Worn suspension parts can cause a vibration when braking, and defective shock absorbers can extend braking distances. Remove the rubber grommet from the brake disc and, with a flat blade screwdriver, slacken the handbrake shoe adjuster before removing the brake disc. Unbolt the brake caliper and secure it with a suitable retaining hook, ensuring there is no excess strain on the brake hose. Remove the worn brake pads from the caliper carrier, then unbolt and remove the carrier from the hub. Remove the brake disc by inserting two M8 x 1.25 bolts into the disc and, without using excessive force, tighten the bolts to release it from the hub. Check the condition of the parking brake shoes and thoroughly clean the wheel hub to ensure all corrosion is removed, as an uneven surface can lead to issues such as brake vibration. Once removed, inspect the old brake discs and pads for wear patterns, as this will give you an indication of underlying faults with adjacent components. Clean and inspect the caliper carrier. Check for damage and pay particular attention to the operation of the caliper slider guides, checking for signs of wear and damage along the way. Now reassemble all parts and fit the new brake disc, making sure any oil-based protective coating is cleaned off before fitting. Secure the new brake disc with two wheel nuts and adjust the parking brake shoes until the disc is locked. Then slacken the adjuster 3 to 4 turns, checking that the disc turns freely. Once satisfied, refit the grommet. Refit the brake caliper carrier, ensuring all bolts are correctly tightened. Apply ceramic paste to the contact surfaces of the brake pads, being careful not to get any on the friction surfaces. The new brake pads should fit easily into the carriers without the need to apply any force. Then retract the brake caliper piston. Next, refit the brake caliper, ensuring that all fixings are tightened to the correct torque. Refit the wheels and lower the vehicle before tightening the bolts to the correct torque as outlined by the vehicle manufacturer. Depress the brake pedal several times until normal pedal pressure is felt. Check the brake fluid level and top up as necessary. Check the handbrake operation, which should be within 7 to 8 clicks of travel. If this is not the case, adjust the cable as necessary. Finally, take the vehicle for a test drive to ensure the correct operation of the braking system